how to grow rose plant from air layering rose plant. I'm holding a carry over here, which is very tall, approximately about 70 to about 1 meter tall. Here is very beautiful. If you know how to take care of it, but you'll turn this into a very expensive carry rose. This is Austin, David Austin breed. Before I go into guys step to steps of how to plant your air layering rose plant, let me just review for you the result after about 3 weeks. Okay, and this is the latest batch, which was last week only. Until now is close to about 10 days. You will see on of new shoots will be coming out like this, right? I place it in bright light area indoors for this batch itself, and this is very promising, right? They're all healthy and looking good lah. As long as you see there's no brown, the stems turning brown, etc., this is a good sign. Okay, depends on the species or the breeds itself. Each of them will have a different progression lah. Some will be faster, like for example this one is a lady candles or flamingos, right? They grow a lot faster as compared with other plants. So this is something you can't control lah. But as long as you look at the stems green, healthy, happy, then it's a good sign. Okay, so now let's go into step by step guide. It's very simple, just follow the instructions, you should get there. Right, firstly you check the roots condition and take a look at the plants itself, right? If your plants look a bit thirsty, right, you can actually dip inside a bucket of water like this, right? For me, I will just let them, all of them, drink a little bit of water first. So opening up the wrapper, I put all of them inside the pail of water. Let them drink water for about 5 minutes, and then you will go to the next step. Next, prepare your soil. This is very fun part. You can choose whatever soil that you like, as long as the soil well drains and loose. Very important for rose to grow well. Alright, and for this air layering rose plant, please refrain from using fertilizer for this step. Alright, so don't add fertilizer yet until your plants tell you that they need. Okay, which I'm going to explain to you when later part. Add soil to about 70% of your pot. Okay, and press the soil down a little so that it can hold your plant properly, especially if you are buying my new version of Om Garden Ready soil mixer. I also prepare another pot over here, right? This is for plants that require extra roots growing. Alright, some of the air layering rose plants, right, the roots might not be not be a lot yet, right? So to promote more root growth, I'm going to use this mixture, sand and big moss. Alright, these are also provided for your package. So you just mix 50-50 will do. Alright, and fill up to about 70% of your pot again. Similarly to the soil, you also press the sand down so that it can hold the roots properly. After 5 minutes, you are going to plant your air layering rose plant into the soil. For this case, like this Yvette's Maiden Heart, right, the roots are very healthy, as you can take a look over here, right, a lot and healthy. You just put it straight into the soil. Alright, make sure your plant stands firmly in the soil, and water a little, keep it moist. Case number 2 is when there are not a lot of roots yet, right, and you want your plants to grow even more roots before you want to transfer them to a permanent soil. You add it into this sand mixture. Alright, like that, you already finished potted for your air layering rose plant. Now just secure them, right? Please use a support like this. Okay, make sure that the roots, right, is not shaky, 100% stabilized. Next is the location. You should place your pots under bright light area, but away from the rain and harsh sunlight. Until your plant started to produce leaves like this, right, it's the time you can start apply a little bit of fertilizer and introduce them to sunlight slowly. For more details, you can refer to the guide given. So with that, I wish you a lot of success in cultivating all of these beautiful breeds of roses in your garden.